guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do overlapping braids into pigtails.
This is great for school hairstyles.
So let's get started.
Any products I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and put her hair into two ponytails right here in the front. I'm going to go ahead and start on the right side of the ponytail. I'm going to divide this into two equal sections. What you're going to do is just take these two and braid them. Okay, so what you want to do is braid them all the way to about here, but I'm going to go ahead and braid them a little longer so that way I can put them into a ponytail. I'm going to stop here, secure it off with elastic band. I'm going to do the same thing here over there. I'm going to go ahead and make that a little longer than the first braid. Secure that off. I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. Okay, so now that I have both sides braided, I'm going to put them to the side and I'm going to split this down the middle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work on the right side first. So you want to divide this section in half, a little less than a half. So can you hold this? So you're going to take right here above the ear, going to go right across to the other side, like this. Okay, smooth this out. If you need to put some water or gel just to tame those flyaways, go right on ahead. Okay, so you're going to take this side here, these braids here, this one here is going to go across right here, and you're going to add this braid to this ponytail, and you're going to secure this ponytail with an elastic band. Same thing here, over there. Okay, so now you're going to take this ponytail right here and bring it over. And cross it over and secure it off with an elastic band. So now you can release these. The next step is to take this last braid here, cross it over, and bring all this together. Go ahead and comb this down. Now bring this last braid from the left side and cross it over. And bring it all the way down to the nape area. So you want to just secure it right down to the bottom, right here. So go ahead and take your elastic band and secure it right here at the bottom. Now you're going to do the same thing here. Gather this together, put it into a ponytail, grab that last braid, add it to this side of the ponytail, and then secure it right at the bottom part of her neck. So now that I secure them both off at the bottom of the nape area, I'm just going to go ahead and take these out. I'm going to use a topsy tail to hide her elastic band using her hair. A little hairspray, and there you have it. Let's do a final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye guys. God bless.